So I just got my Oboo Smart Clock delivered from Kickstarter, and I'm going to film a quick unboxing video of it. Here is the box it comes in. All I've done is cut the tape at the bottom so I can easily lift it. Set that to the side. The top is the clock. I have a little get started guide. Adapter for the power cable. Yeah, a little power cable. Clip the adapter right there, and that's all you get. Gonna quickly open up using my little unboxing knife that I got on Kickstarter too. So it's taped at 2 spots. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand, but I'm going to gently take out the clock as to not damage it. There's a lot of smudges on the clock. Sure, that can be cleaned up with a microfiber towel, but that's what you get.